Well, audience, today I am replacing my spark plugs on my C240 Mercedes Benz. I have been working diligently. I have already removed the spark plugs. To my surprise, I thought I needed only 6, which cost about $50. These are the 6 that I've already taken out. And now I have to go back and buy 6 more because it takes 12. So that's a $100 job. But I think somebody will probably help me out with this, especially if you're driving my car. Or should I say the car. But when I'm done replacing these spark plugs, I still have this side over here to go. When I'm done, I'll let you listen to it and see how smooth it runs. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.